Exercise 2. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram such that AB equal to AD. Here I have to mention that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. So I can say that AB equal to CD and parallel to it. Also AD equal to CB and parallel to it. Opposite sides and palm are equal and parallel. BAD equal to 60 degree. I is the midpoint of CD. Now, what's the nature of triangle BIC? If I join here vertex I to vertex B, we got a triangle BIC. What is its nature? Here, since we said that AB equal to AD, to AD, AB equals to CD, AD equal to CB, and I is midpoint of CD. Then here we can say that CB equals CD over 2. And since I is midpoint of CD, then I can say that CI equals CD over 2. That's how we proved that CI equal to CB. And since in a triangle we have two equal sides, then I can say that CBI is an isosceles triangle. But what about the opposite angles? We know that in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So, angle ICB equal to angle DAB, which is 60 degree. Now, isosceles triangle with angle 60 degree, so we can clearly say that triangle CAB is an equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle we have three equal sides and each of its angle equal to 60 degree. Here we proved that CB equal to BI equal to IC. That's part 1. Now, how to prove that ABID is an isosceles trapezoid? Let's look well at the figure. I have to say that this quadrilateral is an isosceles trapezoid. To prove its trapezoid, it's required to say that one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Can we say that ID is parallel to BA? Since it's given that ABCD is a palm, so we can say that opposite sides of palm are parallel. That means AB is parallel to CD. Again, DI here is parallel to AB. Why? Since it's a part of parallel line. Then we proved here that one pair of opposite sides, which are ID and BA, are parallel. Then I can say that ABID is a trapezoid. But how to prove that's an isosceles trapezoid? I have to choose the legs that are not parallel to each other and say that they are equal. Can we prove that IB equal to DA? Let's see. In part 1 we proved CIB is an equilateral triangle. So we can say that CB equal to BI. I proved in part 1. It's an equilateral triangle. It means that the three sides are equal to each other. And we know that ABCD is a par. So I can say that CB equal to DA. Opposite sides of par. So by comparison, I can clearly say that BI and DA are equal to each other. Now, we know that ABID is a trapezoid and the non-parallel sides are equal to each other, so that means that ABID is an isosceles trapezoid. It's so easy, but I have to understand well the figure.